Hey, what are you doing here? What are you doing over here? Did you follow your mama? Did mama come over and you follow her? Did mama come over and you follow her? Hi, Ginger. You're actually more brown than ginger color, but I still like calling you Ginger because of your little nose. Your little nose, that pink nose. You are trying to... Where are you taking me? Where are we going? I'll go with you. Come on. Take me where you want to go. Let's go. Take me. Where are we going? You want to take me to somewhere, Daisy? Hi, pretty girl. Don't hurt her. Pretty Daisy. Pretty Daisy. What are y'all doing in here? Seriously? What? How? How did y'all get... Don't hurt the others. Come on. Fainting goats and... Wait! Y'all can't just keep going around in circles, guys. This is not... Oh my gosh. Seriously? Alright, let me go get help. It's raining. We've got falling stuff from the sky. Ta-da! Raining.
What happened here?
I noticed the oyster mushrooms.
Arkansas wild man.
Arkansas wild man brought us some oyster mushrooms. He was out foraging on the mountains, on one of those mountain ranges around here. And he brought us a bunch of oyster mushrooms. I've already soaked them in
Have you ever
salt
had them?
water. Yes.
Are they yummy?
They are very good. But I've only had them from store-bought, not
So
wild caught.
we rinsed them off and yeah.
Soaked them in salt water,
Soaked
rinsed
them in
them
salt
off,
water.
and now I'm going to season them and saute them in butter.
After the potatoes are done cooking.
Yeah.
And then we can fry up our steaks and yum.
Yep. Did I get you?
Thank you, Arkansas wild man.
Thank you. Woo. Hi.
Yum. Yum yum. Yum yum.
Thing.
Yum 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 yum. Yum yum. Yum yum. Yum yum. Okay. Pink. Got potatoes going because they take longest.
It should be about done.
There's a fork right there. How do they feel? They feeling soft yet?
Yeah, I can actually tell from the color that they're already.
Yeah, but they still can feel hard in the middle. I started them a little higher, like on 250.
Yeah, that one probably needs to be closer into where the liquids are. Yes.
Well, we could probably take them out and do the mushrooms and do the steak, and then put the steak in, and then put the potatoes back in.
Yeah. So, mushrooms first. Take them out. Then put them with the potatoes, and then we'll add potatoes after the steak's done.
Pink.
And wait, where did we get the steak from?
Sullivan.
All right.
And it's actually dog food. Yum yum.
Yum yum.
Yum 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 yum. Pink.
What we're doing.
Cutting up the dog food steak.
Yummers.
Sullivan steak.
Yep.
Maybe it's because it was legs. I don't know. I'm not sure. As the thighs.
Pink.
What's in here? Ooh. The mushrooms have been sauteed and added to the potatoes to stay warm. Yummers, yummers.
Okay.
All right.
Now for the mushrooms and potatoes.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'll show you.
Mushroomies and potatoes.
Yes. We bought spring water at Walmart and the jugs, I guess.
One of the big mushrooms.
Oh, so hungry. You're blocking the light.
Well, I didn't mean to. I was just trying to make sure they don't fly out.
Pink. Okay, so I'm gonna sample one of these. Shut up, Jan. I'm gonna sample one of these oyster mushrooms here. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Thank you, Arkansas Wildman. Honey, try a bite.
Oh man, that's good.
That's better than steak itself. Almost. It
Almost.
tastes. Oh man, that's good.
Buttery, yummy, yum yum.
Okay, so we're gonna sit down. We're gonna ask our Bessie, and
Yep. Thank you guys for watching.
thanks, Ark Wild Man.
And
Thanks,
thank you.
Sullivan.
And thank you, Heavenly Father.
Yeah, we'll do that often.
Yeah. Thanks.